They'll say you'll never be nothing, you'll never be something. Well, you know what I think it's crazy for you to believe everything you hear. So take your hands, cover up your ears, and understand only God knows who you could be. So only He should be one to speak, right? So don't let him get you down, 'cause you're no good laying on the ground. My mom used to say you just shut him down. Don't let him steal your crown, don't let him steal